Hey guys, welcome to ISE 2020. You're on the ZeeVee stand with Charlie Sullivan, the UK sales manager for ZeeVee. This year we are showing a variety of our products, our AV over IP products. Starting on the left-hand side here is our ZyPer HD product. It's an H.264 encoded video stream, encoder, decoder, PoE, fanless, 1080p. Very, very cost effective in terms of distribution of signage and TV distribution for stadia and corporate environments. We compress to 20 meg on that. That's around 250 milliseconds of switching. This runs over a 1 gig network. And then we've also got down here our other 1 gig product, which is our JPEG 2000 product. This is third generation. This has been out on the market for quite a while now. We do a lot of universities, a lot of corporate environments with this. So we compress to 400 meg on this, which gives you enough headroom to put anything else on the network as well, like USB. It's PoE, it's fanless. You can do a 5x5 video wall from that. You've got full USB on that as well for KVM. But if you're looking for something a bit more quick-fire video, this is around 20 milliseconds of switching. Then we've got our 10 gig uncompressed ZyPer 4K product here as well. So this again is our third gen. We're just about to release our fourth generation product on that. This will do up to a 9x9 video wall. Super, super easy to install with Netgear, as we're part of the SDVoE Alliance. We're actually one of the founding members with Sony, Semtech, Christie, and Netgear. So out the box, all three of these units work straight out the box with any Netgear M4300 series. So it's super, super easy to set up, does all the heavy lifting for you. Something else that's built into SDVoE is the multi-view platform as well. So we look at the TV at the top here, we've got one decoder up there running 9 sources to one decoder. That can be in any pattern, any shape, any size. We can also do overlays, picture-in-picture, text overlays as well. So there's a very strong scaler built into this unit. We also have a fanless decoder for this, which we actually recently installed at the Samsung Experience Center. We have multiple different formats on this. We have HDSDI, we have DisplayPort, we have HDMI, we have HDMI loop out. We love a model number. And we have full USB on that as well. We also have a 1 gig utility port on this. So anything else you wanted to put on the network, like a camera or a control system, we have that as well. If I take you over to the management platform, this works across all three of those products that I just ran through. So everything that you put on the network is automatically discovered via the MAC address from your sources to your displays. You can preview your sources now via these windows, which are updated every second. You can simply set up your multi-views, your video walls, so 5x5 on the 1 gig, 9x9 on the 10 gig. You can set up zones. You can also set roles and user permissions, and it's all color coordinated. So it tells you, even down to the level of whether you have a cable connected or not. So super, super easy to set up. You don't need to do any training or programming to understand how this kit works. And we have an open API which uses any control system at all. So anything from Crestron to AMX to Control4, you name it. Some people do use this just as a, as a control system, but it's really a setup configuration tool. Anyway, that's me. That's our tour for 2020. For any more information, please go to ZeeVee.com. Thanks very much.